Building the training set. We have our data set of names, but a neural network needs input-output pairs. How do we turn a name like A-bit into training examples? The answer is a sliding window. The key idea is the context window. We choose a fixed size, say 3. At each step, we look at the last 3 characters and predict the next one. The context is X. The next character is Y. Before the name starts, we pad with underscores. Let us walk through the name Abid. We start with 3 underscores as context. X equals underscore, underscore, underscore. And Y, the next character is a slide the window forward. X equals underscore, underscore, AY equals A. Next, X equals underscore, AY equals B. Then X equals AABY equals I. Then X equals AB, IY equals D. Finally, X equals B, IDV equals underscore, the end token. That is 6 training examples from just one 5-letter name. Every name in the dataset gives us multiple examples. A name with n characters produces n plus 1 training pairs. Do this for every name, and we get thousands of input-output pairs. With thousands of names in our dataset, we end up with tens of thousands of training examples. Each one is an XY pair. X is a context of 3 characters. Y is the next character to predict. This is our complete training set. To recap, we use a sliding window of size 3. Each position gives one training example. One name produces multiple examples. Stack all of these together and we have our full training data set. Next, we need to figure out how to represent these characters as numbers that a neural network can work with.